The law of attraction, that magical concept where apparently if you just think about something long enough, it'll pop up on your doorstep like an Amazon Prime delivery. So here's a question. Can you really manifest your dream life just by thinking about it? Well, I hate to break it to you, but if that were true, we'd all be living on yachts and never having to lift a finger again. Today, I'm here to talk about what most people get wrong about manifesting and why a little less dreaming and a little more doing might actually be the real secret. First off, let's tackle the big idea the secret popularized, the notion that if you just believe hard enough, the universe will somehow align itself to bring you exactly what you want. Now, don't get me wrong, belief is powerful, but sitting on your sofa imagining success doesn't mean success will come knocking. The truth is, belief works best when it's backed by action. Manifesting is a bit like planting seeds. Sure, you can imagine a beautiful garden all you want, but without digging, watering, and a little sunlight, those seeds aren't going anywhere. Now, I'm all for positive thinking. Who doesn't like a good "I can do this" mantra in the morning? But the issue is, people often get so caught up in the mystical side of manifesting that they forget about the real-world side. Believing in yourself and your dreams is fantastic, but don't let that belief blind you from reality. Being optimistic doesn't mean ignoring the hard work or the roadblocks. It means being willing to face them head on. Think of it as a partnership. You bring the positivity, and the universe brings the challenges, and together you make progress. But here's where the law of attraction has some genuine weight. A positive attitude absolutely draws people toward you. It's not magic, it's just psychology. When you're genuinely positive and open, people find it easier to be around you, and the more people want to be around you, the more opportunities come your way. You see, a bright outlook doesn't attract things from thin air, but it does create a kind of social magnetism. People are more inclined to help, recommend, and offer chances to those who radiate positivity and confidence. Visualization is a big part of the secret, and to be fair, it can be powerful. Imagining your goals and successes helps set your mind on what you want. But here's the thing, it's not about daydreaming, it's about preparation. When you visualize your goals, you're priming your brain to recognize opportunities that align with those goals. It's like programming yourself to notice the things that'll actually help you get where you want to go. But again, it's only half the story. Visualization works best when it's paired with action and strategy. One point many people overlook in the whole manifesting conversation is the influence of their own behavior. Want more respect? Act respectfully. Want more success? Put yourself in situations where success can happen. The way you behave changes the way others see you, and in turn changes the opportunities that come your way. If you're constantly negative or avoidant, no amount of positive thinking will override that. Manifesting is less about convincing the universe and more about aligning your actions with what you want. Here's another myth that needs a little dose of reality. The idea that the universe will send you signs when you're on the right path. While it's nice to think we're guided by cosmic nudges, you're often better off creating your own signs. Taking small intentional steps toward your goals will reveal more to you about your path than waiting for a mysterious sign ever will. And honestly, if you're waiting around for a sign, it's probably a sign that you should get moving. Now let's talk about resilience. When you believe in your goals, you're naturally more resilient because you see obstacles as temporary, not permanent. This is where belief genuinely has power. Believing that you can overcome challenges doesn't make them disappear, but it does make you more likely to keep going. So, yes, believe in your dreams, but remember, the belief is there to keep you steady when things get hard, not to magically remove the hard parts. So what's the real secret behind manifesting? It's about having the belief, but also putting in the work. The universe might give you a nudge, but it's up to you to take the steps. Think of manifesting as a dance. You can visualize the moves, but if you don't get up and dance, you're just a spectator in your own life. So next time you're tempted to just sit back and visualize, ask yourself, am I ready to actually make this happen? Because the universe rewards action, not just wishful thinking. And if you found this reality check helpful, hit subscribe and stick around. After all, if you're serious about manifesting your goals, you might as well start with the action of clicking that button, right? See you in the next video.